weekend, the boys and I put together not one, but 2 pieces of furniture. First of all, we have this Ikea dresser that took us 2 days to put together. It was part of Christine's closet organization, and this was a beast. So if you've ever bought the Hemnes Ikea dresser, you can sympathize or empathize, whichever eyes you like. So we have some celebrating to do, and since it's winter and we can't really go camping and we haven't really been able to play outside too much, we're gonna bring the outdoors inside for a special camping style dessert in the kitchen for the whole family. It's kind of just a special, let's celebrate for fun kind of weekend dessert that we wouldn't do very often, but I think this one's gonna turn out pretty good. I know this is not the place you're used to seeing me, but today I've got a special treat for the kids. I've been planning on doing this treat for like a month, and I haven't done it yet because we've been busy and I don't really like to eat too much. I don't like to eat sweets a whole lot.
You sit on a throne of lies.
This is not camping weather, but when I go camping with the kids, I love to do s'mores. But I love to do s'mores with this secret ingredient. So today we're gonna do a little indoor s'mores using the cast iron skillet, the Reese's peanut butter cups, and the marshmallows, and we're gonna make s'mores dip. I'm wondering if this one's too big.
I can't put this in here at all.
Ooh, yeah.
Perfect. This dip is going to be so good. I think that the Reese's are going to melt and the marshmallows are going to expand by the heat.
So you might be wondering, what are we celebrating? We're celebrating the fact that we put together IKEA furniture and didn't kill each other.
That was very annoying.
Is that not true? How long did it take us to put together that dumb dresser?
Like 5 hours.
It was probably not 5 hours, but it was a long time. It was 2 nights. Man, IKEA furniture, after a while, you have to wonder, is it really worth it? Christine has been tackling a reorganization of our master closet, and she chose to go with an IKEA dresser, which means it fell on the boys and I to assemble the dresser, and it's so good for these boys to learn how to follow these instructions, even when they're complete garbage. But Andrew specifically has started to develop a real talent for it. This is the first night. We worked on it for probably 2 or 3 hours. By day 2, I was determined to get this dresser finished so that I could move on to the next thing, which is this nightstand that Christine bought for Ryan's bedroom. I have to say, our master closet has been a shambles since we moved in. It's where we have to store all of our clothes. Our master bedroom is so small that everything has to go in here. And between the colors and the layout of the room, we needed something different, and I'm glad that we went with this one. But let me tell you, I don't know if I'm ever going to want to put another one together. How much is my time worth? Because I think I got paid about $5 an hour. How much did you get paid?
You got paid in s'mores.
You're getting paid in s'mores.
Yeah.
No, that is for the dip, knucklehead.
Can I have one?
All right, no, wait for the dip. You guys are a bunch of dips. Are we celebrating anything else? You guys put a lot of work in on your bedrooms. All right, let's see if we can pull this dip out and see how good it tastes. Oh, that's starting to look good. A few more minutes. And, oh yeah. That is almost done. We're gonna wait 2 more minutes.
Don't leave it.
Oh yeah.
Marshmallow is definitely expanded. Poof. They're the perfect brownness.
We may have squeezed too many marshmallows on there.
It looked like it was breathing. I saw it go down and
Okay.
up a little bit.
You guys want to try?
Yep.
So get a.
No one touched the thing.
See if you can get down there far enough to get the chocolate.
I got peanut butter everything. Might be hard to eat.
That's a little hot on my lips. Lesson learned, too many marshmallows.
Oh, that's a great bite.
What did you do?
I think you guys are missing out. I'm waiting on.
Oh my gosh. Haley, Reese's, dip.
Just kidding.
We don't have enough people to eat all this.
What? Step aside, 2 legs.
Oh, I burned my mouth.
Oh.
Sorry, can you go for a second?
Guys, blow on it, fools.
I want you marshmallow.
It's too hot.
Brian, don't sit on the counter.
Blow on it. Ow.
I think I got that by everyone yelling.
Yeah, but it'll stick.
It sticks to your mouth.
It's gonna stick to the roof of your mouth and then continue burning because you can't get it off. The burning is my favorite. I think I just lost a layer of skin in my mouth. It's delicious. I don't even need those. Give me a spoon.
You want a spoon?
Ow! 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 Ow!
Look how beautiful they
Yeah,
are.
that's the perfect marshmallow right there.
That is a Saturday evening treat after a long day of work.
Wow!
Don't burn yourself on purpose.
I wasn't trying to!
Oh, the crunch of the marshmallow is so good.
Maybe let it sit for 5 minutes before you start digging in. I think my favorite is Andrew like yelling and the marshmallow is like stretching as he opens his mouth.
So we can't go camping in January, but we sure can pretend that we can have camping desserts.
I want to eat it slow so it doesn't burn my mouth, but I have to eat it before everyone else does. So let me.
It's all over my face and my hands.
Haley, no.
And let's just be clear, this is no less messy than regular s'mores.
I mean, it's definitely all over your face.
But you don't burn your hands in the campfire.
But you burn your mouth.
What kind of camping do you do?
Drum plate.
Versus Snape. I thought that was cool. Are we resorting to? Yes.
Thanks for letting me take over the Frugal Fit Mom kitchen this weekend. It's been a long weekend of assembling Ikea furniture and volleyball and all sorts of other honeydew items. And we celebrated with this skillet of s'mores. Do a whole layer of Reese's peanut butter cups at the bottom, top it with marshmallows. Don't squeeze quite so many on. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes and dip with graham crackers. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit different for me this time. It's just a fun little weekend video, but hope you guys had a great weekend yourselves. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.